Alright guys, so today I want to do a quick unboxing and review on my dog grooming set. It's got all the different styles of scissors. But one thing I wanted to point out is they come in this really nice case. She's already trying to see what's going on in it. But they come in this really nice case, so it keeps it nice and neat. And check it out. So I'll start off, it comes with like a nice comb for them. So you can see she already needs it, so we'll probably use them here ASAP. And you get, so I'm not by no means like the most savvy when it comes to like the grooming sets. One of the ones that you get are like these curved scissors, as you can see, and they look sharp but like safe yet for pets. And then you got, let's see, I don't think she's a fan of most of these. Look at these. These are either the thinners or the chunkers right here. And then you got these right here, which these look more like thinners, but really, really nice quality. And last but not least are just your traditional scissors. And they're all really, really good quality. And I just like how good and clean they look in here, like real good quality. So if you're looking for a nice grooming set for dogs, I highly recommend these. Definitely a 10 out of 10.